right, and there's uncertainty.
Whoa, hold on now, wait a minute, quiet. No one's getting thrown out, okay? We're all still here. I mean, yeah, we've lost friends along the way. Wheezy and Etch and Bo Peep.
I thought you were going to stand up.
Yeah, even Bo. All good toys have gone on to new owners. But through every yard sale, every spring cleaning, Andy held on to us. He must care about us or we wouldn't be here. You wait. Andy's going to tuck us in the attic. It'll be safe and warm.
And we'll all be together.
Exactly. There's games up there and books and...
The race car track.
The race car track, thank you.
And the old TV.
There you go, the old TV. And those guys from the Christmas decorations box, they're fun, right? Hey, if we're lucky, Andy may have given us things, right? We'll always...
Boy!
Oh, that was